Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to import and scale image or PDF file into Revit. First I need to go to Insert tab, and if the file is an image, click on Import Image, then locate the file, select and click Open. Or if it is a PDF, select on Import PDF and do likewise. And the other easiest way is just minimize this one and select and drag the file and drop onto Revit here. Now I've inserted my file, my image file here. And the next step I need to do is scale it correctly. So I'm gonna use the dimension, the longer one, as much as I can to make it, more precise. So here, the longest dimension is here. So first I'm gonna use detail lines as a guide to easily proceed my scaling. So DL is the shortcut for detail line, and here for the dimension of this one I'm gonna click and draw a straight line here as much as I can using the center of that dimension. And here again, DL, draw from here. This one is just to locate this, the original image dimension of here. And the next thing I want to do is copy this one at the dimension of here as specified on this image file. So I'm gonna select copy, click on it and type the dimension here, enter. So this one is the actual dimension of this one. So I need to scale this image to this dimension. So select the image, click on scale here, select the first line and the second one here, and the third, click on the actual that I draw here. Now it is scaled as specified in this dimension.